Hi everybody, welcome. So glad you're here. It is a dreary day today. So I'm really hoping the lighting works out for us because I don't have much daylight at all, even though it is like 5:30 in the afternoon. So it should still be daylight, right? Anyway, I really hope that you're all having an awesome day. Thank you so much for taking a few minutes out of your day to spend it with me and my sleepy sidekicks. So, Wyatt and Zena are here. Would you guys like to say hi? Wyatt, can you say hi to everybody? Wyatt's already ready for nap time. He's he's such a goofball. He's like, "What is going on? I was falling asleep and you woke me up." He's just went to the groomers on a couple days ago, right? So he still has his little Halloween ribbon on, which he doesn't really like. He's been trying to shake it off. Xena has a busy bone, which is like her favorite thing in all the world. Like she loves that more than anything right now. So we'll try to get her a little later in the video. So today is a Stitch Fix day. I love Stitch Fix. You like Stitch Fix? He's like, no, just let me go to sleep. I don't care. So I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you today. Yay, Stitch Fix. And for a fall box, it doesn't seem like there's much in here. It's like loose, it's light. This like feels like a summer box. So Stitch Fix is a subscription styling service. You get 5 items based on your profile. Keep all 5 and you get a 25% discount. There's a $20 styling fee. However, they have offered a style pass to some of their customers for $49. If you pay that one-time fee, you no longer have a styling fee for an entire year. So I did take advantage of that. And if you do it, that $49 does come off of anything that you keep. So I do not have a style pass, or I do not have a styling fee right now. My stylist is normally Jess. So hopefully that's still her. Right inside the box, they actually tell you what to do once you get your box, which is pretty cool. Here's the inside of my box. Nice and pretty. I love their presentation. You get a little envelope in here that, oh, look how cute. It says, oh, hello. This gives you a little, I'm not going to open it right away, but it has your stylist notes. It also gives you pictures of all the items that are inside of your box and gives you some ideas of how to style them. You also get a little paper like this that has all of your prices on it. So we'll get to that in a little while. You also get a bag to return anything that you don't love. I can already see this lighting is going to be a little funky for us. I'm so sorry. So here is my bundle. So definitely fall colors. The only thing that I requested for this fix was a black cardigan. So I'm looking for a nice black, and I actually asked for a heavy one, like a Cardigan cardigan, a heavier one. I don't think this one is, if there's one in here, it doesn't seem like it's going to be a heavy one. It's just going to be a lightweight one. So let's check it out. Okay, so first up looks like a sweater from Pink Clover, and I think this is navy. So it's a little thinner, and it has these little grommets and ties at the bottom here, both sides. So that's different and cute. Next up is a black cardigan by Pink Clover as well. So this is a thinner weight cardigan. With the light in the back, you can kind of see it is a little thinner. It does have pockets in the front here. You can see that. It seems nice. It's nice and soft. It's a decent weight, but it's not as heavy as I was hoping it would be, because I wanted more of a coat style that I could put on to wear as a coat, right? Okay, next. is a little tank by Emory Park with little crisscross detailing in the front. You guys can see that. It's black and white stripe. So it's a cute little basic for underneath things. It has the t-shirt hem at the bottom. Okay, next is a top by Tinsel, and this looks black. And it has these little extra detailing around the neck. And it does have buttons at the cuff. That's cute. It's a nice weight. It's a little bit longer in the back. It's cute. And last up is a pair of pants by Liverpool. And these are super stretchy. These are leggings by Liverpool. Very nice. And I'm not sure what color this is. It almost looks like a Merlot, maybe. You guys can see that. I do love Liverpool. I don't think I've received anything from them I didn't like, actually. So they're a very nice legging dress pant. So the pockets in the front are faux, but the pockets in the back are not. So those are actual working pockets. Yeah, these are really nice. They're called the Jacqueline Skinny Pant in dark purple. So these are dark purple. These are nice. I wonder if they're the same color as the jeans I just got in my mix and match, which means they would go with the jean jacket I got as well in my mix and match, which would be kind of cool. All right, so let's check out if my stylist is still Jess, which I hope. No. What the heck? What the heck? Ugh. Okay, so Jess has been my stylist for like, I don't even know, 30 fixes. So this is fix number, I'm so irritated, 43. This does seem a little off. All right, so let's see what she says. Happy fix day, Laura. It looks like you and Jess have a great thing going, but I'm happy to be stepping in to style you this time while she's on leave. You had asked her for a black cardigan for the season, so I started your collection with the super soft and lightweight pink Clover cardigan. What do you think of this classic style? It'll be perfect for layering with the sleeveless Emory Park cross front tank I sent you as well. Add some color to the look with the Liverpool skinny pants on a deep autumn purple and step into a pair of cute black booties. You'll also find a more cozy sweater from Pink Clover with a fun side tie detail that will make a great partner to your distressed denim when you want to dress up your denim. Try the Tinsel Grommet detail top and a relaxed blazer. Thanks for letting me style you best, Cassandra. So I feel sad, which I shouldn't, I know, but like I don't really want anyone else styling me, so I'm sad. Okay, sorry. I hope Jess is okay, because if she's on leave now, I'm worried about her. So she obviously has something going on that's far more important than who is styling me, right? I'm just bummed. And I thought this just didn't seem quite right. Okay, anyway, sorry. Totally digressing. I'm sorry, guys. Let me see how these things look, and then we'll go from there, and we'll go over price at the end. Be right back. Okay, so first up, I have on this, the tank and the Liverpool leggings. So this tank has this cute little crisscross detail in the front, and it's a nice length. So it's like a tunic style length. It's very cute. I like it. It might be a little big in the arms, but I think it's okay. These leggings, of course, are very, very nice. They fit very nice. I have a little bit of room in the waist, but I wouldn't want to go smaller because then they would be too tight everywhere else, right? So they're not like so tight that you can't grab them and pull them out, but I wouldn't want them to be any tighter. So Cassandra has suggested that I pair these pieces with booties and the black cardigan, which is super soft, but I would need to wear this, I would need a coat still. So this is definitely an indoor type cardigan. It has the cute little slits here on the side, pockets. I don't know, what do you guys think? All right, next outfit. Okay, Zena wanted to say hi. Can you say hi to everybody? Can you say hi? There you go. Okay. All right, so the next outfit is the sweater with this side detailing here, and it's on both sides. And it's navy blue. And Cassandra had suggested pairing it with distressed denim. So that's what I did, and I put on a pair of booties. And I think this is a cute sweater. It is a nice length. It's not too long, it's not too short. I think the side tie adds some visual interest. I think this could probably maybe be a little bit tighter. I didn't touch it from how it came out of the box, so maybe that needs to be tightened up a little bit. I think it's cute. Okay, one last top. Okay, last item is the top. So this top has the little grommets here, like this light. It's gonna be a pain. Okay, so it has this little detailing here at the neck, which is very cute, and it's a little bit longer in the back than in the front. I hope you guys can see that. So Cassandra had suggested that I put it on with to dress up jeans. So I put it on with my shoes I got in my last mall haul, these leopard print shoes, which I just love, and a pair of a little bit dressier jeans that I just got from Express. And it's kind of cute. So it's just a pullover, has the button cuff, but I do think it's cute. I like it. Better than I thought I would. So I'll be curious to know what you guys think of it. Okay, so I'll be back with a quick wrap up. Okay, so that was all 5 pieces. What do you guys think of that try on? My 43rd Stitch Fix. And the first one with a different stylist. How did Cassandra do? So, Jess, if you're watching, I hope you're okay. I'm sending good wishes your way and hope you get back soon. So, I thought Cassandra did pretty good. Let's run through these prices real quick. So, first up, let's see here. The top by Tinsel. I don't know if I guys told you guys that. Doesn't sound familiar. So the top with the cute little neckline that I had on last. I think that's cute. I actually really liked it once I had it on. I thought it was a cute, cute detailing, you know, just to dress up a plain black top. So it's $46. Next up was the sweater. So this is the pink Clover melt tie side pullover in navy, $44. So again, it's a cute basic sweater, but with a little extra, right? So I think the little side ties are cute. I think I need to try to tie them right. I feel like they're not quite right now, so I might have to play with them and see if I can get them to lay a little bit nicer. But I thought they're cute. And the price isn't bad. $44. That's not a bad price. Next up was the black cardigan. This wasn't exactly what I was looking for, but it's a cute basic black cardigan, very, very soft. It's the Pink Clover Penton two-pocket cardigan in black. Again, $44, not a bad price. So these are really decent prices from Stitch Fix. Zena's like on my lap. She wants like attention. I don't know what's going on. What's going on? Do you want to tell her, say hi? What's going on? What's the matter? Okay, the tank top. So I thought this was a cute piece as well. It is the Emory Park Dulce sleeveless knit top. It's only $28. It's a cute layering piece for underneath, underneath things. I thought it looked nice with the Liverpool pants and the cardigan as she suggested. I think I might like it better. I'm sorry, I'm like touching the camera. Sorry. I think I might like it better with a blazer. To think about that. But I thought it was cute. A nice basic, $28. That's not too bad. And last up were the Liverpool leggings. In the dark purple, the Jacqueline skinny pants, $78. So these are nice. So they're not denim, they're a nice little stretch pant. I did check and they are the exact same color as the denim that I got in my mix and match. So the plus side is they would match the denim jacket. The downside is, do I need a denim pant as well as a legging in the exact same color? And they are, yeah, $78. So the most expensive thing in here. So everything is $240 for all 5 pieces, which I think this is like my cheapest Stitch Fix ever. With the buy all discount of 25% off, it'd be $60 for a total of $180. It's not bad. So what do you guys think? Is this a 5 for 5? Or not? I honestly don't know. Yeah, I don't know. So I have to think about this one, to be honest with you. I'm thinking if I want to keep the Liverpool pants, it is a 5 for 5. If I don't want them, then I would have to think really hard about what I would want to keep, right? So I kind of like the tank just as something to wear underneath pieces. Sometimes like you just want a nice, cute little, nice striped tank for underneath a jacket or a cardigan to wear with colors, right? This is a tough one. And I don't have the styling fee to apply to anything. So, yeah. So I would love, love, love to know what you guys think about this fix. Please, please, please comment below and let me know what you think. I would so appreciate if you could hit that like button if you like this video. I would love it, love it, love it if you would hit that subscribe button and show me some support. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so very much appreciate your support. From me and my sleepy sidekicks who are truly going to sleep here. Zena is on top of all of my clothes and is going to sleep. And Wyatt, I just disturbed him so you can say goodbye. He's like putting his head back. He just wants to go to sleep. You want to go to sleep? Yeah. Okay. We hope you have a great day. Till next time. Bye, everybody.